Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to open your Word document in edit mode instead of read-only mode. Okay, so in order to do that, you go to top left corner, File, and then go all the way down here to Options. And when the option comes, you'll see the several options here, and you go to Trust Center and Trust Center setting, and then instead of the macro setting, you go to Protected View and you unselect all these three things here. So unselect it, all of them, and hit OK and OK again. So now it is in edit mode instead of the read only mode. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.